Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your language on DieStream application. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your language on DieStream, firstly go ahead and launch open your DieStream's application. The home page of DieStream application will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top left corner of the page. From the displayed options, click on little gear icon shown on the page. The settings page of DieStream will appear on the screen. Click on language option. Select the language that you prefer and tap on it. This is how you can change your language on DieStream application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.